Welcome to this instructional video on how to simplify the integer exponent problem of 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 3. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression using the rules of exponents. Make sure to follow along closely and take notes as we work through this problem together. Let's get started. To begin solving the problem of simplifying the integer exponent expression 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 3, we first need to understand what each part of this expression means. The expression has two terms. The first term is 2 to the power of 4. This means we need to multiply 2 by itself 4 times. So it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The second term is 2 to the power of 3. This means we need to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So it is 2 times 2 times 2. Let's simplify each term individually. First, we simplify 2 to the power of 4, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. Finally, 8 times 2 equals 16. Therefore, 2 to the power of 4 simplifies to 16. Next, we simplify 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then 4 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, 2 to the power of 3 simplifies to 8. At this point, we have simplified the expression 2 to the power of 4 to 16 and 2 to the power of 3 to 8. So the original expression 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 3 can now be rewritten using these simplified values as 16 minus 8. This completes step 1, where we simplified the individual terms in the expression. Now we proceed to step 2 of solving the problem of simplifying the integer exponent expression 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 3. In this step, we will perform the subtraction of the simplified values we obtained in the first step. Remember, we simplified 2 to the power of 4 to 16. We also simplified 2 to the power of 3 to 8. Therefore, our new expression is 16 minus 8. To simplify the expression 16 minus 8, we perform basic subtraction. Subtraction is the process of finding the difference between two numbers. In this case, we need to find the difference between 16 and 8. When we subtract 8 from 16, we do this by moving 8 units back from 16. Counting backwards from 16, we get 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and finally 8 units back lands us at 8. Therefore, 16 minus 8 equals 8. At this point, we have completed the subtraction, giving us the final simplified result. The integer exponent problem, 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 3, simplifies down to the number 8. So the expression 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 3 simplifies to 8 in its most simple form. This concludes our solution for the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.